Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Open settings on your iPhone 13 and make sure iOS is current so features behave predictably. Next, unlock with Face ID or your passcode because you'll approve changes. Once done, tap Display and Brightness to access display controls. This is where eye protection features live. Make sure to keep the phone steady and connected to Wi-Fi if an update is pending, since enabling some adaptive features works best after a recent system update. Now, in Display and Brightness, enable True Tone so your iPhone adapts color temperature to ambient light. This reduces harsh blue light automatically. Next, tap Night Shift. Schedule it or set manually until tomorrow. Scheduling uses sunset to sunrise or custom times. Adjust the color temperature slider toward warmer to reduce blue wavelengths. These two combined lower eye strain throughout the day, and they work together. Make sure you test brightness and temperature under real lighting to find your comfort point. Finish by opening accessibility, then display and text size, and turn on reduce white point to soften intense whites. Set the percentage to around 30% and change it if needed. Also configure a focus or do not disturb schedule for evenings so notifications don't flash bright bursts on screen. If colors look off after changes, reset sliders and reapply one at a time. That troubleshooting tip helps isolate the setting causing issues. If things still go wrong, restart the phone and verify iOS updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.